This video shows how you will get some items, elements, objects, files from a other project to how you import this to an existing new project. In this case, I have my photos and videos app in Visual Studio Update 2, and the other one, the old one, does not run anymore. There's a bug in the system. So I create a new app, and I will now implement all those stuff from the other app. Here's my app, and as you see there, the other app had another name. It was this one. Now fix this. Here he is. This is the former app, and you see there's a little bit some stuff different. It's also bound on TeamViewer and all this stuff. And now you cannot copy this like moving it here. So what you have to do there, you have to go here on the new project file. You have to say there, add an existing item from the other project. So this is my folder. Here's it was called photo gallery before. And I have there some user controls. I would take the entire folder. Let's see if that's possible. Only single stuff is possible, so we have now to add the folder, user controls, and into this user controls I will add the existing items from the other folder, UWP. Here that's my photo gallery with some stuff, and I go there into the user controls, and I may select only for the XAML files. You only need the XAML file itself, and the C# code is bound to the file, to the XAML file. So I'm importing now that stuff and view my code. And there is, so I said a little bit choke. Do it once again. So this is my add the existing one when I take only the one item. Now you see here, if you select import one element, then the sub element, the C# code, is also implemented. With a multiple selection, it's not implemented. So I also add the other stuff. Now importing existing files, I take all those 4 blocks. So this is separate. I don't want to have it separate. Don't want it like this. Existing. Okay, go on. And I'm not going through everything now. The point what I want to show now is when you click here on your XAML file. Now when this is imported, you will see that the namespace is different. Now this is the namespace of the former project, and the new namespace, you will see this one, the namespace is here called photos videos. So what we have to do is we have to copy that, and then we go in the XAML file here on the first block and we rename it, and then we may close that stuff. And the same is now here on my C# block. Here you will see that's the former block, former project. Rename it, and you may close it there. So, and now what's happened is, when you are there, you may open the code, which is the code on there is collected on the subfolder. Not only by the name, so also by the class. So when we go to the code there, we are going there, and now this is the same namespace, and the code gets the elements from the same XAML file, and you have to do the same stuff here, and everywhere else. And that's you can't import the blocks and the classes will be renamed. That's not possible on Visual Studio, so we have to go this small tricks. And you also can go you can import the blocks by simply taking the XAML block. So when you have this one and you say, okay, give me only the XAML block, then you can copy that, just only the page block, and you have to take care if some stuff is on the header. So if nothing is in there, for example here, take that and you have to rename the upper block again. So that's it, and I hope you know now how to import it. The same stuff is when you rename the file. When you rename the file, the code itself is not renamed. So the class itself, when you rename this user control, the namespace itself is still the same and the class here. So you have to rename this separately. And I hope I could help you a little bit by that, because I'm always stumbling around on the same problems.